Hello friends, in this video we will discuss a topic called Impact of Service Recovery Efforts on Customer Loyalty. Now, to understand this topic, we need to divide this topic into two parts. हमें ये दोनों वर्ड्स के मीनिंग पहले समझने होंगे इस टॉपिक को समझने के लिए. दैट इज व्हाट इज सर्विस रिकवरी एंड व्हाट इज कस्टमर लॉयल्टी, एंड देन वी कैन मूव ऑन टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ सर्विस रिकवरी एफर्ट्स ऑन कस्टमर लॉयल्टी. तो कस्टमर लॉयल्टी क्या होगी? से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you love having sandwiches. Sandwiches is one of your favorite food. And there is this one particular shop known as Uncle Auntie Sandwich. And जब भी आपको सैंडविच खाने का मन होता है तो आप उधर से ही सैंडविच खाते हैं. इनफैक्ट whenever your friends comes, your relatives comes, you take them also to that particular outlet. Why? Because you are very happy with the quality of the product, the taste of the sandwich, the service which is offered there. So that what makes a customer loyal. Customer loyalty is repeated and frequent purchase of the same product, of the same brand or from the same service provider. Then what is service recovery? There are many organizations who gives you different kind of products and services, और ऐसा कोई भी कंपनी नहीं है जो कभी कोई गलती नहीं करेगा. Despite of you have excellent staff, a highly updated technology, completely computerized everything, systematic procedures, but still there is always a possibility कि कभी ना कभी कोई ना कोई गलती हो सकती है. When there is a gap between the customer expectation of a service and the service which he experienced, when there is gap, there is difference, then it is called as service failure. जब भी कस्टमर आपके सर्विस से satisfied नहीं है, he is missing something, या फिर there can be problems, sometimes your employee is not able to perform well, कभी आपने टाइमली डिलीवरी नहीं दे पाए, कभी शेड्यूल डिलीवरी पे लास्ट मोमेंट पे अपॉइंटमेंट कैंसिल हो गया. देयर कैन बी एनी रीजन, देयर कैन बी मेनी रीजन फॉर द सर्विस फेलियर. बट मोर देन सर्विस फेलियर, ऑब्वियसली सर्विस फेलियर इज नॉट एडवाइजेबल. बट अगर सर्विस फेलियर हुआ है, अगर पहले स्टेप पे गलती हुई है, मेक अश्योर यू डोंट रिपीट योर मिस्टेक इन द सेकेंड चांस, बिकॉज प्रोबेबली देयर वोंट बी एनी थर्ड चांस. अगर फर्स्ट टाइम में आप सही सर्विस नहीं दे पाए, कस्टमर आपको सेकेंड चांस देगा फॉर योर सर्विस रिकवरी. सो ऑल द एफर्ट्स दैट एन इंडिविजुअल और एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टेक्स in order to improve the service performance or in order to recover the failed performance is called as service recovery. जो कस्टमर ने आपके इधर कभी भी सर्विस फेलियर एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया, ऑब्वियसली ही वुड बी योर लॉयल कस्टमर. बट उससे भी ज्यादा लॉयल कस्टमर वो बनेगा जिसको सर्विस फेलियर मिला, बट उसका सर्विस रिकवरी सर्विस फेलियर से भी अच्छा था. मीन्स देयर वाज अ प्रॉम्प्ट रिकवरी, अ रैपिड रिस्पॉन्स, कस्टमर grievances were solved immediately, then wo customer would be even better than a loyal customer. The most loyal customer is the one who has successful recovery of service. गलती किसी से भी हो सकती है. फर्स्ट टाइम अगर आपसे गलती हुई है, बट मेक श्योर यू मेक मोस्ट आउट ऑफ योर सेकेंड चांस, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द कस्टमर will not give you the third chance. So a service recovery is all the steps taken by individual or institution or organization in order to convert that disappointment into delightment for a customer. So for example, अगर आप मैकडोनल्ड्स गए हो, आप McDonald's गए and you ordered a burger. You felt that something is wrong with this burger and you complained about it. And the McDonald's executive was like, no problem, sir, we will immediately change it. This is called as service recovery. A customer might not have expected this. He might expect it now, he might argue, he might again verify it, but instead of that, he immediately replaced it. This is called as service recovery. Say for example, your network service provider has deducted 30 rupees from your account balance, and you call the network provider at the call center and he just keep on transferring. And what you are listening, all our service customer executive are speaking on another call. Please wait for some time or call back after some time. And this waiting makes you annoying. This annoyment can lead to the loss of customer. Take the ownership of the mistake. As a service provider, you need to take the ownership of the mistake and rectify it. So how you can do it? The very first step is take a feedback. Often you can make consumer research surveys, there can be telephonic interviews, there can be feedback form, and constantly take feedback from customers. And give this assurance to the customer that their feedback is valuable for you. Once they have this feeling, no, someone is hearing my opinion, someone is hearing my words, they will give you very genuine opinions and feedback. Feedback is given by all the customers, satisfied customers as well as dissatisfied customers. Satisfied customers will give you feedback, but dissatisfied customers will give you complaints. So after feedback, then comes the complaint. Make the complaint procedure very simplistic. Don't make it very complicated, a huge lengthy form whereby they have to fill in so many details. No. Keep it simple and crisp. Complaint box, maybe a piece of paper on which they can write their basic information in a complaint and drop in the complaint box. Give variety of option in communicating the complaint. A complaint box, an email, a WhatsApp messenger, or maybe a executive, whatever it is. Give various options in expressing the complaint. And have a very, very efficient complaint handling procedure. Make sure that all the complaints have to be attended within 24 hours and resolved within 48 to 72 hours. And keep on communicating with the customer. What I mean by attend the complaint? Attend the complaint means once you have received the complaint, make the customer know that yes, we have received your complaint and we will act upon it in specific time period. Then keep on communicating with the customer what steps you are taking and what steps you are going to take and when the decision or resolvement is going to happen. So feedback, complaint and suggestions. Keep an empathy with the customer. Keep on having suggestions. They will give you ideas how better you can do your service, what additional you can do your service, what are the customer expectations. So when we are talking about the impact of service recovery efforts, it's like a customer जिसने कभी भी आपके उधर कोई failure या disappointment experience नहीं किया है, obviously he will be a regular customer, he will be a loyal customer. But उससे भी ज़्यादा loyal customer कौन होगा? उससे भी ज़्यादा loyal customer वो होगा जिसने service failure तो experience किया, but उसका service failure का disappointed you converted into delightment by a quick service recovery, spontaneous service recovery, and you fulfilled all his expectation about this service performance. फिर ना सिर्फ वो आपके बारे में अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बात करेगा, अपने रिलेटिव्स के साथ बात करेगा, and this will lead to the word of mouth publicity, which is recommended as most efficient tool of promotion. So I hope, student, this topic of impact of service recovery efforts on customer loyalty is clear to you. In our next video, we will discuss some another topic related to service marketing. Till then, everyone stay home, stay safe, take care. Thank you.